Enim guase akwaba Baba Yara Stadium Ghana NSC4 anyaje enim guase ama Ghana Baba Yara Stadium no pay sorry and CAF say Oma withdraw the approval of Baba Yara as CAF standard stadium or Africa. So what it means they say ya ban Baba Yara from hosting a category 3 game at Baba Yara Stadium intimi enhona game for Black Stars, because Black Stars game no a category A. Na nchechemu kakre wo me say between now to October hono CAF for ne say Ghana person okobo sa game na just offine approved stadium or other countries. Other countries no ebit my Mali, Cote d'Ivoire, Togo ne ade Burkina ebit my akobo your next game against Sudan no because almost say a pitch no infractions and asemuno araho CAF in semuno statements no amenkan ma we are maka GF so there. It is important to note that prior to the match, CAF had expressed concerns about the suitability of Baba Yara Stadium for hosting the top-tier international fixtures. Was it proud to Ghana any Niger game no? And Ghana any Angola game no Baba Yara Stadium no? Omu raise concerns over Baba Yara, but still persistent issue at this venue as well as others in Ghana such as the KOTOKO Stadium and Accra Sports Stadium. Ni nyina no mu no tie but upgrade kakra because last minute and omu consider omu but omu ba omehwe no omu hu say sadi kura asenye nti mu next game ne de ya withdraw CAF approval for meeting competitive standard. And a GF was given the absence of any of the CAF approved category 3 stadium in Ghana. CAF has requested, so CAF for the sake the Ghana Football Association to select alternative venue from among those approved CAF outside Ghana for match day 3 and 4 of the African Cup of Nations Morocco 2025 qualifiers. Inti match day 3 ayene Sudan bebono. Almost yenkope stadium outside Ghana. Yempokobo. But omasa twa caveat bia tum say between now and then omo recommend say you base bibia na omo ebeba say you mu wi a omo kan kire omo beba na omo be inspection say meetia Ghana pa die arehu we kwabra ne sori a no the stadium na koje or yakoma han say yemfa nko concert music shows meanwhile a football sports in say stadium.